Hey miners, Mining King here. Today I got a shipment in here of some GPUs, so let's take a look at them. Alright guys, we're back. If you guys like this kind of content, if you guys could please like, share, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Alright, let's get back to the video. I had sold some cards to KiiNG, as well as I used some of my own funds to buy some more GPUs. Well, let's get this box cracked open and let's see what GPUs I bought. Alright guys, we're back. And I got all the GPUs out of the box I got today. So I purchased these from Newegg, and these are all MSI Mech 6700 XTs. Why are you going with 6700 XTs? Well, on memory dependent algorithms, they are extremely efficient with proper overclocks. So if you haven't checked out my last video, link up in the card right here for the RX 6700 XT hash rate efficiency and overclock video. Now I already do have one of these, and this is my first one I got. I got this MSI Mech on the day of launch, and I won it in the Newegg Shuffle a little over a year ago. So I wanted my rig to be all uniform. I don't have very many rigs that are all the same card due to, you know, the silicon shortage and all that stuff and availability, so everybody was just kind of getting what they can get. So I picked these all up for $524.99, so about $500 a card. So this will be a full rig of 8 GPUs. Now they are going to go into a mining frame for right now, as I am trying to get hold of a octominer. So if you guys just want to hang on for a sec, I'll get these all unboxed and we'll get them into the mining frame and we'll start hashing away. So stay tuned. Alright, before we start doing the unboxing and getting these cards all ready to go into the mining frame, I did get a letter from KiiNG. Now I recently did a trade with him. If you guys haven't seen my short, link up in the card right here. If you guys want to check out some of the GPUs I sent over to KiiNG. Alright, nice. We got some KiiNG stickers. So this is kind of like, I would say like a matte or like a flat one right here. And then we also have his holographic. So got a few extras here, so that's really nice. I like that we could place them in a lot of cool areas. I will have to check my DMs to see where exactly KiiNG told me to put these on my GPU wall. So if you guys don't know, if you send me stickers and you guys are another YouTuber, or even if you're not a YouTuber, if you have your own sticker, you could send them to me. You know, DM me a message in Discord and I will put your stickers somewhere on any of the GPU boxes, mining motherboards, wherever you guys want. You guys let me know, okay? So we're gonna put the first KiiNG sticker up here. We're gonna put it right. So we're gonna put it right here, next to mine. Is what he said he wanted. He also said that he wanted one of his stickers right here on the. So this is where he wanted his other sticker, right here on the minted. All right, guys. So we're out here in the farm right now, and as you can see, that rig is gone. It used to be a rig right there. So this did have the 1070s, the GTX 1070s in them, but those are in the octominer right there. And as you can see, that motherboard in PSU was here, but I want to utilize this 1200 watt power supply along with this RevTech board so I can have 8 GPUs, because I can only get 6 on that and 6 on that one as well. So I have 8. So I need to use this RevTech board. So we're going to be using this frame temporarily till I get my octominer, and we're going to be putting the other 7 MSI. Alright guys, I am done putting this rig together. It's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I did use a lot of splitters as I just wasn't sure if I was going to have enough cables, as these are all 2 pins. So that means there's 16 right there alone. So I need to use some splitters. So anyways, let me get this plugged in and then we'll go check it out in my farm and make sure it's hashed. I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back and she's hashing. So as you can see, I named it Boba Fett because this rig's just been it took me a minute to get this thing going. I had a couple cards in here that were maybe the silicon lottery's not so good, so I had to bump up the voltage a tiny bit. But as you can see, we are getting 368.9 mega hashes. And let's see here, we'll go to each of the cards here. So you can see the temps here are pretty reasonable, between 58 and 60 C on the cores and 70 C or so on the memory. Really, really nice. The wattage is not correct because obviously there's an AMD card, so this is probably, I'm gonna guess about, what did it say, 100 or 540. This is probably more like 700. About 100, I would say 20 more watts per card. There's 8 cards, so yeah, it'd be about 700 watts. So I am really, really impressed with this. There's quite a few more cards in here, so I have my new big DeWalt fan pushing the air up through there until I can get them in a octominer, which will be very, very soon. Alright guys, let me know if you guys like this content. Please leave a comment down below, as well as I'll leave links to all the gear I used in this video in the description down below. And this is for you, D-miners. A nice complete MSI Mech 6700 XT rig. Alright guys, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.